The way we work is changing faster than ever. Artificial intelligence, automation, and new technologies are not just transforming jobs, they're erasing some, upgrading others, and creating completely new ones. So the real question is, where will your job stand in 2030? Let's start with the jobs that are already being replaced. Cashiers are slowly becoming a thing of the past, thanks to self-checkout systems and stores where you walk in, pick what you need, and leave. No human interaction required. Telemarketing is also fading out. AI voice assistants can now make calls, answer questions, and sell products without breaks, salaries, or emotions. And then we have drivers, taxi, delivery, even truck drivers. Self-driving vehicles are already on the road, and by 2030, millions of driving jobs could become unnecessary. But not every job will disappear. Doctors and healthcare workers will still be needed, but AI will handle diagnostics, while humans focus on care and decision-making. Teachers will still exist, but no longer as the only source of knowledge, more as guides who use AI tools and personalized digital lessons. And jobs that require deep human emotion, psychologists, therapists, social workers, will only become more valuable in a world full of machines. Now it gets interesting. By 2030, completely new professions will appear. AI ethics specialist, someone who makes sure artificial intelligence is fair and safe. Virtual world designer, people who build digital cities, workplaces, and social spaces in the metaverse. And human AI interaction engineers, experts who make communication between humans and machines feel as natural as speaking to another person. So what's the real secret to staying relevant? Not a specific job, not a diploma. The most valuable skill in 2030 will be the ability to adapt, learn fast, and retrain when needed. Technology won't replace people, but people who use technology will replace the ones who don't. Subscribe to Neuropulse if you want to stay ahead of the future, not behind it. Like this video if it gave you something to think about. And tell me in the comments, do you think your job will be replaced, upgraded, or deleted by 2030?